Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer from Coinbase to Xaman. First, confirm your Coinbase account is fully verified and holds the cryptocurrency you wish to send. Next, download and set up your Xaman wallet, ensuring you back up your secret keys safely. Familiarize yourself with any potential network fees or Coinbase withdrawal charges before initiating the transfer. This preparation ensures a smooth and secure transaction process. Now, let's get your Xaman wallet address. Open your Xaman application and navigate to the specific cryptocurrency you intend to receive. Tap on the Receive option to display your unique wallet address. Carefully copy this address. It is crucial to verify every character of the address to prevent sending funds to an incorrect destination. A small mistake can lead to irreversible loss. With your Xaman address ready, log into your Coinbase account. Select the Send/Receive option and choose the cryptocurrency you're transferring. Paste the Xaman wallet address you copied earlier into the recipient field. Then, input the exact amount of crypto you want to send. Review all details, including the amount and fees, one final time before confirming the transaction. After confirming your transfer on Coinbase, you'll typically receive an email or app notification. The transaction will then be processed on the blockchain, which can take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. You can monitor its status on both Coinbase and within your Xaman wallet. Once confirmed, your funds will appear in Xaman. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.